Welcome to Regatta Bay Estates. We're going to take a tour of this beautiful home that's for sale. It's a 5-bedroom, 3 full baths with a pool and a resort-style backyard.
I can let go when I'm with you in paradise. I lose control when I'm with you.
Welcome to the formal dining room with a butler's pantry nestled right off the formal dining room. It's perfect for entertaining and for your guests, and it's connected to the formal living room. That both rooms feature crown molding, French doors that lead to the oasis of a backyard.
Come home and relax in this beautiful private backyard with all exotic palm trees, around 30 feet between homes, beautiful walkway all the way around the perimeter of the home.
Late night drives, getting drunk with you. Lost my mind with you. I close my eyes. I can let go when I'm with you in paradise. I lose control with you, with you, with you. When I'm
Welcome to the heart of the home. Thank you for visiting this home nestled in the Isles at Wellington, one of Wellington's premier real estate locations.
Gracias por visitarnos y espero su llamada.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Gracias.